Alright, pretty early here at the gas station. You know, going hiking today. Heading to Canaan, I guess, Canaan State Park. Canaan Valley State Park. I should really know the name of this because I live pretty close to it. Relatively close to it anyways. But I'm going to be hiking the Bald Knob Trail, I think. See, I planned this last minute, but it's something that I've been wanting to do. So we'll try to go there and hike that. It's here in West Virginia, by the way. So I had to stop at the gas station on my way. Get me a nice big coffee and some donuts, which I was debating. I'm like, why did I get little gas station donuts when I was literally at Dunkin' Donuts, who are known for their donuts? I don't know what's wrong with me, but you know, obviously my mind is not on the food. It is on the hikes that are going to happen today. So got about a hour and a half or so drive from here, so shouldn't be too bad. But yeah, let's see how it goes today. All right, here we go. Setting off on the Bald Knob Trail. I think I might be the only one out here, which is, I guess, a good thing, even though it's like the perfect weather. It's a Saturday and the leaves are starting to turn here, so pretty popular time of year, but that's all right. I guess what's kind of interesting about this trail is it starts in an actual ski resort. So like on this side, I think, is like the tubing park. So we'll see how good of a trail. Right now it seems like most of it's like a service trail for the resort or something. So see how it goes, but it is beautiful weather out here. This is a very wide trail so far. I don't necessarily know if this is like a service little trail for the resort or if it's just a really like popular hiking trail where they just made it really wide. Either way, it's nice. It's very well maintained, that is for sure. Although I don't mind roughing it a little bit, but we'll take it for now. I'm in like a meadow of wildflowers. It's huge. It's beautiful, and you can smell it too. I was walking up here, I was like, what is that smell? It smells really nice. It's wildflowers. I mean, it's like, I don't know if I've ever been in this many wildflowers where they smell this strong. It's really a cool thing, I guess. Kind of strange, but I think it's beautiful. So, yep. Hopefully see more of this stuff. Pretty much the whole way up, you get really nice views like this. I mean, just beautiful. Especially this time of year where the leaves are kind of starting to change. It is beautiful. Quite a steep little area here, but that's all right. I mean, it even looks like they mowed it. I mean, I guess they're hauling a lawnmower up here. some sort of brush hog or something. They must have parked it here, or turned it around there. I guess that's where it ends. Very interesting to see that on a trail up this high. Wow, check this out for a view back here. That's something. It's steep though. This is kind of a steep trail. I think it's only 2 miles out and back, so a mile up the hill and then a mile down, but they mean it when they say a mile up the hill, because it is very much up the hill. I could get out of breath. Whew. I got to the top and I decided I wanted to keep hiking, so I'm building my own trail today. Well, I'm definitely on a trail, as you can see, but I'm just kind of stretching multiple trails together and see where I end up at. Hopefully I don't get lost terribly out here in the back country. It's not that far in the back country. I'm pretty sure either side of this hill is civilization, so if worse comes to worse, I just go downhill. But that's besides the point. So it's all about the spirit of adventure today, I suppose. This clearing area is massive. I mean, they must have, I mean, I don't know how many trees they would have taken out once upon a time. This is pretty crazy. I don't know what the reason is. I mean, I don't know what this trail would be used for. I mean, I don't think the resort would use it for skiing. I mean, maybe some backcountry skiing, but not really. Too much stuff in the way, I guess. Maybe snowmobiling? I don't know. Clearly, I don't do those sorts of things, so I wouldn't know. But it is strange to find such an area that is cleared like this. I mean, it makes it very cool for hiking, but I don't know. I don't understand it. Somehow I've found my way onto the ski resort. Somehow. Not sure if I'm supposed to be here or not. I thought you could just walk through here. I guess I'm just used to going to places like Snowshoe where it's, you know, open year round for like the bike trails. So when I was hiking through, I guess I just assumed that these were just part of the trails and they had trails going through here. I don't know for sure because there's like a sign about private property and hours of operation. I mean, I'm within the hours of operation, but nothing's operating, so I don't know. Who knows? But it's just a quick little hop down here to where I'm parked at, so I'm sure it will be okay. Oh, this is steep. It's like a black diamond. Better not fall. That'd be embarrassing. There's no snow here. Yeah, there's the slope. Enter slopes at your own liability after the season is closed. I guess that was me. So what did I walk down? I walked down like this part. Oh man, that's a black diamond. Yeah, my knees are not happy after that one. Oh goodness, that was much worse than just walking down the trail. Not that I was looking for an easier route, but I was kind of just wanting to see some new scenery instead of going out and back. But that's okay. I made it back to the truck. That's a pretty fun little trail, I must say. There's a mile up and a mile back, but I didn't do the actual trail, so I went the mile up. Then I cut over on another trail. It was about a mile over. Then I did a mile back, so maybe 3, maybe 4 miles in total. So it turned it into a decent little morning adventure. So yeah, pretty happy with it. So I guess now I'm going to go adventure around and explore the park some more and see if there's anything else of interest. But yeah, thank you all for watching the video, and I do definitely recommend it. Although it is a little challenging, so if you're out of shape, it might be a little tough getting up there. You have to take a lot of breaks, but you can just stop often and smell the flowers, literally, because there's tons of wildflowers there. So yeah, thank you all for watching, and I'll see you all in the next video.